So walnut is kind of a sketchy wood to sand. It sands really easily, but if you don't get out your scratches, they really show up. So I'm using a disc sander, 2-inch disc with a soft interface pad here. That'll help me follow the contours better. So I'll turn this on, nice slow speed, come in here. And you can see how it follows the shape really well right there in that sharp curve. That's the toughest thing to get. The bottom's easy because they're doing side grain at this point. It's going to sand beautifully. But it's this intersection here that you got to work on. So I'm going to go all the way through probably 400 or 600 grit. I want to get the best finish on this I can. I'm just tweaking this right here. These are coal jaws, so the rubber parts grab onto the side of the bowl, and this one's a little sketchy since I got the curve in there, but I think it's working. I'm gonna bring the remote over here in case something goes wrong. So I'm gonna turn this on really slow speed and bring the speed up. Where you get into trouble here is if you take a big cut and get a catch and it'll pop right off. So I'm gonna try a negative rake carbide here just to see how things go to start with. And I just gently want to work my way in. You don't want any catches at all. So I'm going to work on cleaning this up a little bit so the bottom looks just as good as the top. So I'm hand rubbing some Danish oil on here, and the walnut is just spectacular in it. Now, I did one thing a little bit different here just to see what would happen. Is this outside, I sanded to 240 grit, and it is just beautiful in it. I mean, it's really nice. On the inside, wait till you see this. Look at that feather. All right, that is incredible. I sanded this to 600 grit. So let's just see what happens when we apply a finish to this. Ooh, that should be illegal. That is phenomenal looking. I don't know if you're getting a glare or not, but it looks spectacular here. So this is going to be cool. It's going to look a little satiny on the outside. And then when you look on the inside, this is going to be nice and bright and shiny. That is really cool.